Welcome to Microbursts Mega Motivation, a short tour of how tiny learning moments spark big change. This slide sets the scene with a rising graph visual showing small steps stacking into upward momentum and hints at the practical techniques we'll explore to make learning bite-sized, timely, and motivating. Long, hour-long training drains attention, lowers completion rates, and seeds resistance. This slide contrasts that problem with a simple remedy. Shrink content into single objective micro-lessons, so each module teaches one core concept, removes overwhelm, and restores learner agency by making progress feel fast, clear, and achievable. Motivation is biological. Completing a small task triggers a dopamine reward, and that tiny boost encourages more action. The graphic shows how a succession of achievable challenges plus rapid feedback creates a self-reinforcing loop, turning small wins into growing engagement instead of the fatigue you get from big, unfocused lessons. Willingness to act rises and falls in minutes, so timing matters. BJ Fogg's micro-motivation wave explains how delivering micro-content inside workflows like Slack or Teams catches those open windows, prompts voluntary engagement just in time, and triggers actions before the moment collapses, leading to steady, voluntary progress. The micro-learning process is about clarity and instant feedback. Choose one measurable behavior, show a 90-second demo, then follow with an immediate quiz. That sequence strips curiosity down to a clear action and gives learners the quick confirmation they need to act confidently, minimizing friction and maximizing retention. When learning is tied to real workflow contexts like customer tickets or KPI gaps, it becomes relevant and worth doing. Framed micro-lessons delivered with tangible payoffs, such as points, badges, or micro-bonuses, drive sustained attention and create workflow momentum because people see immediate value and reinforcement for applying what they learn. Make development part of the day by embedding 2-minute refreshers into existing touchpoints. Morning dashboards, shift handovers, or CRM loading screens. Those tiny, contextual nudges turn learning into an unnoticed habit rather than a scheduled chore, lowering resistance and making skill growth a seamless part of daily work. Leverage early indicators like completion streaks, peer shares, and post-micro performance spikes, and aggregate that data for predictive analysis. Those signals let you predict long-term discretionary effort and deploy timely nudges or interventions to prevent disengagement, keeping staff motivation sustained before small issues become big problems. Drive optimization through a simple flywheel. Retire low-impact modules, double down on high-yield behaviors, and tighten the experience into short, high-impact bursts. Continuously refining what works compounds motivation over time, producing consistent performance gains and accelerating skill growth across the organization.